Valmec è un'azienda italiana a conduzione familiare che trae origine negli anni 50, che fa dell'innovazione tecnologica il proprio punto di forza. Produciamo all'interno tutte le parti che compongono l'aerografo e presentiamo la nuova generazione delle Genesi Carbonio.
The Walcom spray gun has been quite popular in the 90s, especially with the Geo model in the HVLP era. In the last 10 years, a new generation of paint required a switch from the HVLP technology to the HTE technology, or high transfer efficiency. Basically, with a little bit of extra pressure at the air cap for a better atomization of these new paint lines. With the change in the industry, we didn't only improve the atomization, that was a major requirement of course, but we also wanted to take something completely new and different. So we started to focus on what could be the improvement from what the industry was presenting to something unique, something that will really make a difference in the entire experience of the spraying process. First of all, we think that the weight and the balance, ultimately the comfort of the spray gun in your hands during the process, is part of the equation. You want to make sure to have a good grip, an ergonomic design, and I would say a lighter spray gun would help you everyday job.
La garanzia della qualità del prodotto avviene grazie alle tecnologie di cui ci avvaliamo, che già è insita sostanzialmente nel processo. Oltretutto poi mi avvalgo anche di strumenti di ausilio di laboratorio che ci consentono di andare a particolarizzare poi i controlli e a mirarli. La fortuna di poter lavorare in un'azienda del genere è quella che possiamo fare internamente, ausilio di tecnologie e di processi che non sono solo meramente metalmeccanici, ma possono avvalersi anche di altre caratteristiche, possono essere il comparto termoplastico, con la caratteristica di lavorare anche con materiali che sono al di fuori del normale utilizzo all'interno, ad esempio, del settore degli aerografi. L'utilizzo del magnesio è una caratteristica, credo, sul quale siamo usciti tra i primi, con la stessa cosa con la Carbonio, con il Kevlar e così via. La percentuale di controllo che noi eseguiamo sul prodotto è del 100%, il che significa sia a livello di processo, ma oltretutto anche a livello qualitativo terminale, cioè viene fatto comunque sempre un collaudo su un singolo aerografo che esce, collaudo che viene fatto a livello sia di performance che di caratteristiche meccaniche dell'oggetto. La Valmec stessa è indice di qualità e ci richiede di aumentare i livelli qualitativi giorno per giorno. L'azienda è certificata ISO 9001-2015, che come minimo, e comunque seguiamo tutti quelli che sono gli standard relativi alla certificazione.
So we took a look to the industry, and definitely the biggest trend, even in sports car racing, is shifting from aluminum to carbon fiber and composite materials. And we started to visualize what could be the idea on the spray gun industrial process. So we started to use the carbon fiber, and we will see in the production line how we could use the carbon fiber to create a lighter spray gun, to create something different than what the industry has been for the last 20 years. We created the Genesi Carbonio 360, and now today we are also presenting the Genesi Carbonio 360 Lite, that is even an update that we're just delivering. We use the same forged aluminum part that we can see right here in this component. So the mechanical aspect and the chemical resistance aspect of the spray gun stays the same. But we're over-injected with carbon fiber so that we can obtain all the shell of the spray gun itself a lot lighter, a lot more balanced. 360 in grams is the weight of the spray gun, but it's also a revolutionary concept that we are presenting. And overall, the big difference between a successful company in this industry is to not create just one single good spray gun, but to have every spray gun that actually performs the same. How we obtained this? We did an investment in a 5-axis CNC machining. Here we can see a detail of the process. We have the carbon fiber already over-injected on the forged aluminum. We're going to insert it in the machine, and we're going to see the CNC machining in one single step in this 5-axis machine. Here we start. Here we can see the calibrating phase, where the machine is going to make a precise measurement of the freeze in its position. It's going to create a cloud of points where we make sure of what is the positioning of the product inside the machine, and after that the CNC starts. Now, after one unique cycle, we have the machining of all the mechanical parts of the spray guns, from the front, where the nozzles are going to be inserted, to the caps, to the back knobs. These deliver unbelievable performances in terms of repeatability of the results and in terms of precision of the machining. Let's take an example to the nozzle. If we take our spray gun apart, we unscrew the nozzle, we can see that we have a stainless steel to aluminum direct contact. There is no gasket. We eliminate any gasket or plastic in between to have a very precise connection, like almost a jewelry watch. So we use some unique technologies like stainless steel helicoids that guarantee a perfect mechanical interaction between the different materials, like brass or steel. So we sieve the helicoids inside the spray gun that help us to reduce weight and at the same time guarantees wonderful performances and mechanical resistance. And we remove the metal from any parts in the spray gun where it's not necessary. And we also remove any edges or parts where the paint could eventually stick and makes the spray gun less easy to clean. So we present a totally smooth spray gun body. All the marking is laser engraved and it's very comfortable actually. And it's also a warmer feeling than metal. We know these are small details, but at the end aren't small details the difference in one technological product. And that's what we are aiming for. The carbon fiber itself is covered with a nano-coating treatment technology that we developed that make the spray gun washer safe, easy to clean, and completely resistant to any chemical or solvent aggression. In the most recent model, the 360 Lite, we also added some extra feature to make it even lighter. The air cap is now in aluminum, it's black anodized aluminum, and reduces weight, especially reduces weight from the front, so it makes the spray gun even more balanced during the spraying process. We implemented a quick turning cap system and we removed the adjusting nut over here with a new self-adjusting system of gaskets inside the spray gun. So it's a very smoother feeling and it's also an extra weight that we remove over here. Just 3 years ago, our Genesi top line forged aluminum was around 540 grams. If we take a look to our competitors, like our German competitors, for example, we are around 515 grams. Or if we take a look to the Japanese ones, we are around 480 grams. And now let's see the newborn, the 360 Lite. The weight is just 340 grams. That is quite unbelievable for a spray gun. And above all, the atomizing technology of the HDE is really unbelievable.
Da sempre, fin quando ero ragazzo, ho sempre avuto la passione per il colore e quindi per la verniciatura. Ho iniziato a fare il carrozziere come preparatore e verniciatore, ho avuto la fortuna di fare il tecnico per la Max Meyer. Dal 99 ho cominciato a lavorare per DuPont, successivamente come responsabile tecnico Italia. DuPont poi è stata venduta ad Axalta e ho fatto per gli ultimi anni di lavoro in Axalta, li ho fatti come tecnico nel Triveneto per la Standox. E da sempre sono stato appassionato a Walcom. Nel 96, per esempio, quando facevo il tecnico per la Max Meyer, con i miei soldi ho acquistato la mia prima pistola Walcom. E da allora le pistole Walcom mi hanno sempre accompagnato ad avere successo nel mio lavoro. La mia posizione di lavoro in azienda è il tecnico. Il tecnico si occupa di sviluppo e ricerca assieme al reparto di ingegneria, facciamo dei test, dei controlli, tutto fatto internamente e anche presso i centri tecnici delle aziende. La Genesi 360 Carbonio ho avuto la fortuna di provarla in tempi non sospetti quando ancora facevo il tecnico per la Standox. Oltre che alla leggerezza e al gradevole aspetto esteriore, aveva anche delle performance non indifferenti, quindi consumo di prodotto che era dato dal minore overspray nella verniciatura e mi permetteva questo di vedere meglio quello che stavo facendo. Oltre alla distribuzione del prodotto sul supporto e quindi l'atomizzazione del prodotto mi faceva avere un miglior successo nel mio lavoro.
Hi, I'm Luigi Gambin, Sales Manager at Valmec SPA. We are a unique truly company where each single component has been produced inside our plant for an optimal control of the process. This allows us to react quickly to the market requests and needs, and above all, the opportunity to explore new technology and technical solutions to create unique products. In the last year, Genesi Carbonio has reached the most performing level, and I'm very proud to represent Walcom production to all our customers in more than 60 countries. Do you want to spray?